Welcome to John's Jeep Garage. This is a quick video. We were down in Galveston Island over on the west end, San Luis Pass, and some of the Galveston County Park employees were having to move a lot of driftwood using a trailer. They got stuck and we had to help them out. So this is just really showing you how we can use a kinetic rope and how that will work for you. Again, a quick video, and thank you for watching. Well, you can see that the wheels were spinning, so they've cleared out with the shovels, but that trailer hitch support also was dragging, so they needed to clear that out, but only just a little bit because the kinetic rope will pull them clear. You won't need to dig too much. Yes, sir. I'm just showing the straps. I use the Yankum Kinetic Rope and straps.
We got him up.
See you guys. Have fun. These guys were just cleaning up the beach and happened to get stuck with that trailer. All right, that's a wrap. Just remember, on a kinetic rope, basically, it's not about the speed that you pull it out. Really, you have to match the kinetic rope size to your vehicle, and as it stretches, it's storing energy, and there's about a 30% pull, and then that stored energy releases as well as the pull of the vehicle, which really is what helps pull heavier vehicles out of their situations. And we use a Yankum rope, so if you look at the Yankum rope website, and we're not a sponsor, but if you look, it'll size up your vehicle with the correct size Yankum rope. Thank you for watching.